Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Keystone 3 Pro and One Key Pro, and I will help you to decide which cryptocurrency hardware wallet is better in 2025. Starting with the Keystone 3 Pro. It is an air-gapped wallet that supports fully offline QR code-based signing. It features open source firmware, a secure element, and integration with major DFI wallets like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Kepler. OneKey Pro, on the other hand, is a USB-C Bluetooth supported wallet with an OLED screen, open source code base, and multi-chain support. It is great for mobile and desktop compatibility. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, security. Keystone 3 Pro uses UR-based communication only, no USB or Bluetooth, which offers high protection from malware and side channel attacks. OneKey Pro uses encrypted USB and Bluetooth, which is secure but has more surface exposure. Number 2, compatibility. Both of them support Ethereum, BTC, Solana, and over 1,000 coins, while Keystone integrates smoothly with MetaMask and mobile DEFI apps, while OneKey Pro shines in mobile wallet ecosystems and has a smooth UX on phones and tablets. Number 3, design and usability. Keystone has a touchscreen interface and removable battery, while OneKey Pro is lighter and more compact but has fewer physical controls. Number 4, price and value. Keystone is slightly more expensive but ideal for high security users, and OneKey Pro offers better value for casual or mobile focused users. So in short, you can pick Keystone 3 Pro if air-gap ultra-secure offline usage is your priority, and you can choose OneKey Pro if you want a sleek, mobile-friendly wallet that still offers solid protection. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.